How to set an away status on Google Chat. For this, open a browser that you prefer and search for your Google Chat. Then you have to tap on the first suggestion shown in your Google Chat sign in. Now wait for it to load. At the top you will see your status. Just tap on this downward arrow. Then tap on Set as Away. And simply like that, you'll be able to set an away status. If you want to modify it, tap on the arrow again, then tap on Add a Status. Here, you can select anyone from here or even create of your own. To create of your own, tap on the emoticon plus icon first and foremost. Then select an emoji. For an example, I'll be searching for a run emoji. Then tap on it. In my status, I'll be right back. Then, under clear status after, select after how long you want to remove this status. For an example, I'll be selecting an hour and then tap on done. And if somebody hovers around your status, it will display something like this. Isn't it simple? So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.